Making a joint.
The following section steps through how to correctly make a joint using Rautitan system.
As discussed in the previous section, before making a cut, ensure an appropriate pipe cutter is selected for the size of pipe. Proceed to cut the pipe at 90 degrees. Ensure there are no burrs. If after cutting the pipe there are burrs, or the cut was made on an angle, recut the pipe. It's important to check the cutting surface at this stage, as it's a simple check that can save a potential leak. Do not use the red pipe cutter 40 to cut Rautitan gas stabile 16 and 20 mm. Also, the white pipe cutter 25 cannot be used to cut Rautitan gas stabile pipes. Once the pipe is cut, slide the sleeve over the pipe and ensure that the sleeve is at least 2 sleeve lengths away from the edge. As you know, the PX sleeves are reversible and can be placed over the pipe in either direction. Select the green expander head for gas applications. Insert the expander head completely squared to the pipe and expand. Then rotate by 30 degrees and expand again. This is to ensure that the pipe is expanded completely and evenly. Expander heads should be regularly checked for damage. Confirm that they are clean and in good working condition prior to use. If there are any issues with expansion, such as overstretching or cracks, cut out the expanded section and repeat. Insert the pipe over the fitting completely. It is important to take note that all the sealing ribs are covered now, and to monitor this during the compression. You can use either a manual or battery-operated compression tool, such as the A-Lite 2. Select the appropriate jaws for the size of pipe. Please note the older gold-yellow coloured jaws in the 40 mm size may no longer be used, and only the black coloured jaws are approved. Since the smaller size jaws are dual size, ensure they are fitted correctly in the tool, with the same size on each side, before making the compression. Please also note, if you use a Rehau L1, this tool cannot be used on Rautitan gas systems in combination with the standard compression jaws, as shown here mounted to the Rehau L1. New PX-modified 1620 compression jaws are approved for use with Rautitan gas stabile using PX sleeves only. These are easily distinguishable by their dual-size profile, as shown. The new jaws can be fitted directly to the Rehau L1. The new modified jaws are only available in sizes 16 and 20 mm, and so Rehau L1 is not approved for use on Rautitan gas in sizes 25 and 32 mm. Fully place the jaws against the pipe and fitting and compress the sleeve against the fitting collar. Then visually check the joint for any damages or incomplete compression.